open command prompt, just type Python, then it is showing Python which version is available. So sir, this much length I don't want, just I need to know which version of Python, Python-v, like that you can know sir, this much information also I don't want, means just Python hyphen version. Okay. Okay. Like this number of options we are having. Okay. Python hyphen version. I think they're upgraded that one. We can able to get which version of Python is installed in our computer. We can able to check. This is the way you can able to. Okay, no need of for that much also. Just type Python also. It will shows what is the version of Python is installed in our computer. What is the version of the Python is installed in our computer. It will shows. Okay. It already installed in my computer. Suppose if not installed, you can able to install. I'll show you those steps also. In downloads it was available now. Double click, just only very easy. Here we need to click on add path. Here I'm going to add path. Yes, it will take some time to install based on our system performance. Okay, in my system already one Python is having. We can able to use multiple Pythons also, no problem with that one. Okay, but I'm installed this one also. Which one will shows? Either 3.11.4. What is the latest version of Python? 3.11.4. Okay, or if you can able to call 3.11.4 also, you can call, nothing will happen. Okay, this is the installation process, very easy when compared to other programming languages. In other programming language we're having next, like that. We need to click. Here no need to do all the things, just install, then it will install. Just click on install, it will install. Okay, got the point? Yes, it was done, I think so. We'll check. Yes, setup was successful. Then you can able to open the new command prompt, cmd, and we need to enter the command is Python. Then you can able to see which version of Python was installed in my computer. 3.11.4 was installed in my computer. Everybody got the point? This is the way to download and install the Python. Okay, this is the way to install. Okay, this is very easy. So Python installation was done. Yesterday we are seeing the Python features. Now we are going to see the Python variables. Every programming language having the variables now. Yes or no? Every programming language having the how to install, that was done. Next concept is variables. Variables. Here what is meant by variable? What is meant by variable? Variable is a name that is used to which purpose? That is used to which purpose? Refer to memory location. It is used to refer the memory location. Here Python variable also. Can you able to hear my voice? Okay. Also, we can able to known as identifier, and not only memory location and also which purpose used to hold the value. That means we need to know in a single word variable is the name that can able to refer the memory location, not only referring to the memory location and also hold the value of the value and also hold the value. Okay, that means a simple in one way if you are saying in a programmer side you are saying it is holding the value. In the system side if you are saying it is holding the memory location. Okay, both is
Uh, Good evening, Venkat. Your mic is on mute.
okay, okay, okay. We need to no need to specify the type of the variable, that is no need to specify the data type. Okay, no need to specify the data type. Okay, that is I can able to understand easily. Yes or no? In a Python don't need to specify the type of the variable. What is the type of the variable? No need to mention. Why? Because in Python language automatically it will assign the type to the variable. Okay, type to the variable. And one more thing is better to recommend one thing I want to say is it's a case sensitive language. Python is case sensitive. Case sensitive. That means here I'm giving my name Venkat and same I'm giving Venkat. Reading both are same, but Python will store both are different variables. Python will treat both are different variables. Why? Because I mentioned the first variable total Venkat is the one different variable and small v. Why? Because all the values are small, but the second one only v is capital, remaining all are small. Okay, that's why it should be which one? Different. Both will it will treat as a different variables. Okay, this is a case sensitive. Sir, which one is recommended, sir? Strongly recommended one is better to mention the small lowercase letters. Small letters are you can able to call lowercase letters is the strongly recommended. Sir, there is any rules? There are any rules we are having to define a variable? Yes, we are having the some rules to define the variables. Okay, what are those rules, sir? Rules to define the variable. Okay, what are those rules to define the variable? Hmm? Anyone? Hmm. What are those rules, sir? Just now I said the strong recommendation was a small letter. Okay, but better, sir. No, sir. I want to mention the capital letter also. Okay, better. First letter you need to mention the small letter. Then remaining letters you can able to mention the capital letter. Nothing will happen. Okay, that is the first character of the variable must be alphabet or underscore. And one more thing also, I want to say alphabet. The first letter in the variable must be character, must be character or alphabet. Don't say character. Character means space also. It will treat as one character. Na number also it will take one character. Don't say that one. Alphabet. Alphabet. First variable should be alphabet or underscore. Underscore also recommended. Underscore also recommended. Okay, got my point. And all the characters except the first character may be an alphabet. Okay, this one we need to understand. What suppose I am taking here Venkat is one variable. In the variable Venkat, what are the letters we're having? V, E, N, K, 86 letters we're having. In that all the characters, first letter may be alphabet is the better one. But those alphabets also we can able to mention. What are the things you can able to mention? Small a to capital A and small a to Z or capital A to Z, or you can able to use underscore or 0 to 9 also we can able to use. In the variable, what are the things are recommended? Small a to Z or capital A to Z or underscore or 0 to 9. These all we can able to use in the variables. For variable declaration, small letters or capital letters A to Z you can able to use, and underscore you can able to use, 0 to 9 numbers you can able to use. Sir, which one you are unable to use, sir? Don't use the underscore already having now. Don't use the space. Spaces are not allowed to define a variable. Space is not defined to, not able to define a variable. Okay, define a variable. Got the point? Everyone got my point? Spaces are not allowed. Spaces are not allowed. And special characters also not allowed. And special characters also not allowed. Sir, what are the special characters, sir? I'll tell you. Here, these are allowed one. Allowed. Not allowed things are, what are those? Space. Space is not allowed. And special characters or special symbols you can able to call. No problem. Anything. Special characters. What are those special characters, you know? Exclamatory mark, at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage, cap. What are the symbols we are having? These are also not allowed. When you are trying to give those variables, it is not at all accepted. Not at all accepted. Got the point, everyone? Got the point, everyone? And one more thing is, don't assign predefined keywords as a variables. Okay, don't assign predefined words are not able to use as a variable. This is also most important, sir. What are the keywords? We'll see. Keywords concept also we are having 32 keywords we are having, or 34 based on the version it will change. Okay, those keywords you can able to discuss. And before that one we need to know if simple, you know already you people, if is the condition and it is a predefined keyword, so that predefined keyword we are unable to use in the variables, like a variable. Okay, that is also most important one. Sir, what are the correct format you can able to declare and what is the wrong format you can able to? Right now I'll show you. Right now I'll show you valid variables. What are the valid variables? You can able to declare a 1 2 3 and doesn't start with number also. Don't start with number also. Okay, that is also not a correct variable. Okay, and underscore is okay. N is a valid one, and n underscore 9 is valid one. This is a category. Invalid identifier are variables. Variable or identifier both same. Variables. What are those? 1a is not at all acceptable. A1 is acceptable. Okay, A1 is acceptable, but 1A is not at all acceptable. Okay, the next one is special characters. N percentage 9, no, invalid. That means the special characters are unable to use anywhere, either starting, middle, end. Throughout the variable declaration, we are unable to use any special characters. Numbers, yes, we can able to use, but not in the first position, but not in the starting position. Okay, numbers you can able to. That means digits can able to use where where you can able to use. Okay, okay. This is the way we need to understand. And different space also not allowed, I said na. This one also invalid identifier, etc. Okay, this one also number of. Okay, this is the way we need to. That is the valid variables. This is the invalid variables. So how to declare a variable and how to assign the values. No, yes, we'll see that one. How to declare and assign values. Assigning values to the variables. To declare and assigning values to the variables. How we can able to? Very easy. Python doesn't not any bind to, that means not having any way special way to declare. Simple a equal to 10, done. Declaration was done. Okay, declaration one done. Yes or no? Okay, that means no need to declare any explicit variables in Python. Whenever we are assigning any value to the variable, that variable is declared automatically. Suppose here we are given a, that automatically it was declared. Okay, automatically it was declared. Okay, okay, simple. There is no special anyway. We are not going to use simple equal to, we are going to use to assign the value to the variable. Declaring variable means simple. Yes, variable is declared. But how to assign the value is you are going to use the equal to equal symbol to assign the value. Equal to 10, that one was done. Okay, and here we need to know one thing is Python is also object oriented programming language. Yesterday we already discussed Python is object oriented programming language. So everything it is represent as a objects, represent as a object. Simple we'll do practice also parallelly. Simple open command prompt Python, then here you can write the program. Simple, I'm writing some print Python, then done. Printing was done. Okay, program is done. Suppose the same program if you want to write in a Java, we need to take a class name and open bracket. Okay, public static void main. string args, open brackets, again system dot out dot println of Python, then close all things. Minimum we need to write 5 to 7 lines. Minimum of 5 lines we need. But in a and the same program we need to save with extension .java and we need to compile and run. Here there is no compilation. That means don't think no compilation means internally Python interpreter will do that one. We are not doing that compilation running. Direct running is having. And one more thing we need to remember the everything also it is represented as a object. Sir, what is object? So here a equal to 10 I am mentioned. What is the here object? Here that value a is a data type integer. Type of function you are having by using the type function you can able to know what is that class, integer class. A you are assigning as a one integer and that integer class create object, then object will execute, that background process will go everything. Okay, but in a simple way we are writing the program. Okay, here object references we'll see, then you can understand. Object references means it is necessary to understand how Python interpreter works. That means just now we are declared some variable na. The process of treating the variable is somewhat different from other programming languages. That is the thing I'm saying. Whenever we are doing assigning int a equal to 10, float b equal to 20.5, like that we need to assign in other programming language. But in Python is completely different. Why? Because it is not only object oriented, it is a highly object oriented programming language. That's why every data item belongs to a specific type of a class. Specific type of a class. Okay, whenever here just now I am given a equal to 10, then Python objects create an integer objects and displays to the console. Just now I said now that is a built-in function we are having. One is a type. Built-in function is having type. Just now I seen a equal to 10 I mentioned. Here whenever we are doing this one, Python interpreter, it will create a integer objects, it will create. Integer object will create, and what whenever we are typing in a console, type of that variable a is integer. Integer. Okay. Suppose no sir, directly you are printing some message na. That one sir, that one also having. Here we are print the Python message. So what is the type of that Python? We will see. Type of Python. It is string. Whatever you are assigning, it will treat as a which one? It will treat as a one object. It is a string object. Okay, and one not only that one, we need to know one more thing is Python is dynamically typed and it is having the memory management also. Strong memory management also. Here a equal to 10 you are having, and I'm going to take b equal to some value I want to take. So everybody got the point? Everybody getting the points? Here strong memory management means here suppose I'm going to take b equal to same 10 value I am taking. Every object it will store that value in some memory. Yes or no? It will store in some memory. How we can able to know that memory, sir? That is, we are having one more function is predefined id. Id means where that value of a is stored. What is the id of a? This is the memory location it was saved. It is the memory location it was saved. And one thing we need to remember, right now the both a value is 10, b value is 10. What is the id of b? Both are referring to the same object. Both are referring to the same object. That is a memory management, dynamic memory. Suppose I'm giving a equal to some 20, then the memory will change. Id of a is still same, but id of b is will differ. Id of b is differ. Got my point? That is a memory management. Also efficiently we are using memory in the Python. Efficiently we are using memory in the Python. Everybody got the point? We can able to see the difference. Whenever we are having a value 10, b value 10, both memory location is same. But whenever we are changing the b value, then it will differ it will change the different memory location. Different memory location. To know that memory location, we are having which one? id is the function. Id is the function we are having. Everybody got the point? Okay, this is the way. What are the variable names? Already we are seeing different types of variables you can able to. And next, if you want to see the example, we can able to see the example, no problem. And one more most advantage available in Python other than with compared to other programming languages, whenever we are declaring the variables, those variables are having different type of cases. Different type of cases. How, sir? Here we are having now. This is the one type. This is the another type. This is another type, like that we are having now. So small letters, capital letters, how we are going to write. Here that one we are having the three cases we are having. That is a camel case, Pascal case, and a snake case. So what are these in a Python? All animals only, not others. As they are comparing with like that. Here first one, camel case. Camel case means here we need to know what is the main thing of camel case is. Suppose we are taking variable only with one word is no problem. Suppose we are having more than one word, like a name of the student is having. Name of the student having. So camel case means first word all letters are small, and second word onwards each word starting letter is capital. That is camel case. Camel case is here I'm having name of the student. First word all are small. Second word onwards, every word starting letter is capital. Okay, got my point? Got my point, everyone? That is the camel case. Camel case. Next, Pascal case. Pascal case means here we are having a same as a camel case, but first word also capital. But the first word also capital. That means every word starting letter is capital. Name of the student. This is a Pascal case. This is the Pascal case. Next one, snake case. Snake case. Simple snake, how it will go in a different. Like that, every word separated by underscore. Every word is separated by underscore. But all are small, capital. Anything you can take, no problem. Name of the student. Every word separated with underscore. Okay, that is the thing we need to understand. Based on your assigning the variable, that variable is which type of case you can able to understand. That is camel case or which one? Pascal case or snake case. Okay, and one more thing also most important in variables is you can assign the multiple variables with multiple values, and multiple variables you can assign the same value in single line. That is possible in other programming languages. Simple, I will tell you x equal to y equal to z equal to 10. That means all the three variables value is 10. This way you can able to do in other programming languages, but this one is possible in Python. Okay, we'll see x equal to y equal to z equal to 10. It is possible. Print of a, sorry, no need to print also, x value, y value, z value. Okay, this one possible. And in the same line you can able to assign the multiple values for multiple variables. So here I am taking a comma b comma c equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. This one also possible. Multiple variables to single value and multiple variables to multiple values, multiple variables, both is possible in Python. Everybody got the difference? Everyone? This option is only available in Python. It's not having in other programming languages. Okay. Multiple variables you can able to take with multiple values, and multiple variables you can able to take the same value. Both are possible. Both are possible with the Python. And the next type of variables. Here a comma b comma c equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30, both with the multiple variables same value, multiple variables multiple values, both are possible. And the next types of variables. What are the types of variables we're having? I think you people already know. In every programming language this one is common. Local variable and global variable. Yes or no? Local variable and global variable. Yes or no? Already you people know what is meant by local variable. Whenever you are assigning one variable inside the function, that is local variable. And but global, for local variable no need of any keyword. But global variable we need to use the keyword was global, and we need to write outside of the function. Okay, outside of the function. Simple. Okay. Local, global. Local means the function. Global means outside of the function with the keyword global. We need to assign the name global, then only it is a global variable. Otherwise, it's not a global variable. Otherwise, it's not a global variable. Okay. And here one more special option also available in Python is we can delete the variable. Can delete the variable. How to delete the variables are very easy, by using the del function. By using the del function, we'll see that one. Del of a deleted. Trying to print a, it is saying a is not defined. A is not defined. That is also possible. Sir, you are saying what is the maximum possible value of integer in Python? What is the maximum value? Suppose again we are assigning the a value this much length we can assign. Yes, happily you can assign a plus 1 or a minus 1. Then it will assign that much length value. Okay, that means unlike in other programming language, Python doesn't having long int float data types. Lot like that, different not having. Okay, so it treat all are integers only, integer data types. So here the question rises is what is the maximum possible value hold by the variable in Python is this is the how much length in your system that variable you can able to assign that much length. No problem at all. No problem at all. Got the point? This is the way we need to understand. Okay. In this one, we're having any doubt? Anyone? And not only that one, sir, we are assigning the values. Okay. We can able to print the multiple values in a single line. Yes, that one also possible. That one also possible. Print of a comma b comma c. This length 20 30. A value, B value, C value. We can able to print the multiple values also. But in other programming language, comma, slash n, single quote, double quote, all these things we need to mention. Yes or no? But in Python, no need of all those things. But in Python, no need of all those things. Everybody got the point? Yes or no? That is the thing we need to understand. This is about variables. Up to variables, anybody having doubt? Then we'll clarify the doubt, then go for the data types. Data types. Everybody can following or not? Following up for up to now variables concept, whatever the doubts you are having, you can ask me. Then you can go for the data types concept. Data types concept. Okay, I think everybody clear. Then you can able to go for fundamentals. You can able to call or Python data types. You can able to call Python data types. So here, what is meant by data type? Already we discussed in a variables. Variable can hold the value so that every value has a data type. Python is dynamically typed, so language, so no need to specify any variable data type while declaring. But how interpreter will take means implicitly it will take automatically. Implicitly it will assign the type. It will bind. Okay, it will bind the type. Already we are seen now. Suppose a equal to 10 I am taking, then automatically type of a is 10. Already just now we discussed in a variables. How we can able to know the type of the variable is having one function that is a predefined function in Python. Type of a you are giving, automatically it will take, okay, the type of variable a is integer. Okay, like that whatever you are having you can able to. Whatever you are having you can able to. Okay, that is the way you can able to understand. Okay, so we will see different types. Different types. We will see a equal to 10, b equal to 20.5, c equal to some string we will take. Venkat, here what is the type of a? Type of a is int. Type of b is float. Type of c was string. So these all we know, but what are the data types are available in Python? Some standard data types are having in Python. Okay, standard data types. having in Python. So how many? Anybody having idea? I think in first year only you are having Python subject. No, all of you in your academics having the Python subject. Yes or no? Better follow. First one is number or numeric. Numbers are numeric. Second one is sequence type. Sequence type. Third one is Boolean. Fourth one is set. Fifth one is dictionary. Dictionary. These are the 5 types of data types we are having in Python. How many? 5 types of data types we are having, and these again classified. Numbers are having again 3 types we are having. Again, it is having 3 types. What are those? Integer, float, comma. We are not listen this one. Complex. Complex data type also having. In sequence type also we are having 3. In sequence type also we are having 3. What are those, sir? String, list, tuple. String, list, tuple. Okay, integer, float, complex, string, list, tuple. Okay, numbers are numeric are again classified into 3, and sequence type is classified into 3. Okay, right now we'll discuss one by one. Okay, numbers are numeric values. Okay, in that one you are having 3. What are those? Integer, float, and complex. That means these are 3 belongs to the numbers data type. Numbers data type. So already we will see how we can able to declare the complex, or we will see right now. Don't worry about that one. Complex means 1 plus 2j, 3 plus 4k. Like that, many complex calculations are available. Also, we can able to perform very easily by using the Python. By using Python, you can easily do. Okay, you can easily do that one. Everybody, complex operations also. So for that complex operations, we're having one of the data type was complex. One of the data type was complex. Everybody got the point? Okay. So right now we will see how all those things will assign. Right now we're already seeing int float, but right now we will see different things. Complex. Some d equal to 1 plus 4j. Then type of C, not CD. It is a complex type. It is a complex type. Everybody got the point? Complex type. And for knowing that exactly one variable data type is you were saying it is a complex, but how we can able to know this is the how we can able to check this is exactly complex or not? For that purpose, we are having one predefined function is instance. We're having one function is for knowing the data type. We are having the function was type, and we are having one function was is instance to know the which one? Which one? Is instance. Sir, how we can able to use this is instance? Nothing is there here. is instance of, suppose here a data type is int now. A data type is int. So here a comma, I'm saying it is a integer. It is a integer. Yes, it's true. But unfortunately, I am giving a b is true. B is integer. No. That means we are confirming that whether the given variable is this data type or not. Okay, for that purpose, you can able to use is instance is simply one name you can use to cross check whether the data type is same or not. You can able to cross check purpose. You can able to use in a single word if you want to say. You can easily cross check that one. Everybody listening, following or not? Okay. The next one is instance also we are seen now. 3 was done. What are those 3? Int, float, complex. 3 things are done. Okay, that's fine, no problem at all. The next concept is that numbers was done right now. Numbers was done. Numbers was done. The next one is a sequence type. Second one is a sequence type. What is in a sequence type? We are having the first one is what is that one? String. String. Normally, in any other programming language, how to define a string? In every programming language, how to define a string? In everywhere, same. Sequence of characters or group of characters is represented as a string, but in a denoted in other programming languages double quotes. But in Python, you can able to declare single quote, double quote, triple quote, nothing will happen. Single quote, double quote, triple quote, nothing will happen. That is the advantage having in the Python. That is the advantage having in the Python. Everybody got the point? Everybody? String. Okay. But in the string, we can able to perform the number of mathematical operations also we can able to perform. Number of mathematical operations also we can able to perform. Right now I'll show you all those things. That means we can able to add the 2 strings. You can unable to do the minus. That means adding means concatenation is possible and multiplication, but don't call multiplication in a string. You can able to call repetition operator star. Repetition operator you can able to do, and slicing operation also we can able to perform. Slicing operation means cut into pieces. Okay, right now I will show you those everything. We'll do practice. Suppose here I'm taking one string A. What is the string? Python. I'm taking the string. Here, type of A was. That's fine. Here I can able to perform number of operations. That means I can able to take one more string was Python program. Python. Sir, you said double code, single code, anything now. So we'll assign single code. Nothing will happen. If you're assigning triple code also, nothing will happen. Okay. So here I want to add 2 strings as possible. Python program. And subtraction is not possible. Subtraction is not possible. String to string is not unsupported. Okay, operation. Okay, and we can able to do repetition. That means here I want to repeat the program B. How many times I want to repeat? Some 20 times. Program will come, and we can able to do the slicing. Slicing means 0, 1, 2, 3 like that points are having. Now here which one we do slicing? For slicing we are having one thing how we can able to do. Yes or no? Here A in these brackets, curly brackets. Okay, square brackets, sorry, not curly. Yes, square brackets where we want to display 1, 2, 3. able to display. Okay, 1 2 3 Python. Okay, 0 means P, 0 will not take. 1 2 3, that means before the third one it will take. 0 1 2 3, before the third one it will take. And one more advantage having in Python is in reverse order also we can able to. That means I'll show you. Here we are taking Python now. Python means here 0 1 2 3 4 5, total 6 letters. In a reverse order means here -6, that -1 -2 minus, like that, -1. Okay, -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. So how we can able to say -1 will take a of -1. That last one will display n. This is the -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Okay, like that. But in a reverse order it will be good. A of -1 to 2 means how we can able to separate by using in between colon we need to use. In between we need to use the colon. Okay, colon. Okay, and -6. Why it is displaying? Why? You can tell me, anyone? Hmm. -5 we can able to take. Why it is not displaying? Tell me. Everybody following or not? You can able to take. Is this one correct? Yes. In this order we need to display. Okay. In this order we can able to, but why? Because in a reverse order we are unable to display now. Okay, that's why we need to display in a normal order. String we are unable to reverse. So for that purpose, whatever the values we are having in the reverse, that one we need to mention normally. Okay, mention normally. But whenever we are assigning before that one only it will display. Okay, this is the way we can able to understand everyone. Understand the string. Everyone understand the string. This is the string concept. Next one we're having thing is list. 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 What is meant by list? Now we're assigning how many values? One value only we're assigning it to the variable. But in a single variable, we want multiple values. In other programming language, initially C programming language having the arena, same. List is similar to, list is similar to, 1 minute. Wait for a minute, okay?
Venkat, please check your mic.
All said wait for a minute, taking some water. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
1 minute. Okay. Next one is list. List means just now I said now in a single variable, whenever if you want multiple variable values. That means in a single list is one of the data type. In that list, one variable you can save the multiple values. Okay, multiple values. But here one thing we need to know how we can able to do that one, sir. Right now we will see list is similar to array in C language, but the difference was in a C language we can able to assign the similar values only. We can able to assign the similar values only, but in Python list we can able to assign the different types of variables also, data types values also we can different types of data type values also we can able to assign in the list. Okay, how, sir? Right now I'm going to declare. Sir, how to declare, sir? List is declared by using square brackets and separated by the comma. Separated by the comma. Okay, separated by the comma. List will store data. That means which data? Different types of data you can take. Sir, only different type of data. We are unable to save the similar data. Similar or dissimilar data you can take. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. How we can able to separate? By using comma that is denoted in a square brackets. Right now we'll take one example, and one more thing we need to understand, whatever the operation you are performing on the string, the same operations you can able to sorry, the same operations you can able to perform in the list also. That means you can able to concat the list. That means adding two lists is possible, and you can able to repeat the list, and you can able to do number of things. Okay, that means slicing also possible. Right now we'll assign with example you can able to get the example you can able to get. Here I'm going to take one list was a. I'm taking one value int, one value float, and one value string I'm going to take in the list. Okay, what is the type of a? You can able to know what is the data type of a. It is a list. And just now I said na we can take one more list was b. B Ram directly different position also we can able to take. Nothing will happen. Venkat already we are taken last time Venkat na. This time Ram and 55 and 49. One more type of B is also list. Type of B also list. Here we can able to add two list. Yes, we can able to add the two list. Two lists are added now. And if you want to repeatedly print that list, yes, we can able to print the repeated. How many times I want to repeated that A is 30 times. You can able to print the 30 times. Okay, very easily. 30 times you can able to print, and you can able to perform which one? Slicing. Here only we need to remember in the slicing means total this value is it will treat as a one value only. That means one character only. It doesn't consider one is one character, zero is one character, 20 is one character, zero is one character, not like that. Suppose here I'm taking a of 1 means directly it will print 0 20.34. Why? Because 0 1 2. Okay, length also we're having length of a. One function we're having is length. Length is the function we're having. What is the length of that list is three values we're having. Three means start with 0 na 0 1 2. Okay, 0 1 2. Slicing means here a 0 2 2. Then it will display 0 1 only. Last value it doesn't display na. That is the way you can able to do. You can able to do the addition, repetition, and the third one is slicing operation also we can able to perform. Slicing operation also we can able to perform. This is about list. Okay, and one thing we need to remember is if we want add some more value to the list is possible. Yes, list is mutable or immutable. Huh? Mutable or immutable. Suppose I want to change the value. Instead of 20.24 value, I want to upgrade to some other value. That is a position 1 value. I'm going to update the data is 20.34 it is having now. I want to update to Python. Then what is the A? It is upgraded. Mutable. We can able to change. You can able to change. Okay, that is also important. Whenever we are having in interviews also they're getting the question, list is mutable, tuple is mutable, they'll ask. Okay, tuple is immutable. Next we'll go for that one only. Okay, next one is tuple. We'll see tuple. List is that one. Tuple. Tuple is also similar to list, but it is a immutable. Tuple is similar to list. Okay, but it is a immutable. Okay, immutable. How we can able to denote is in a normal brackets and separated by the comma. Normal brackets and separated by the comma. And all operations you can able to perform, but it is immutable. All operations you can able to perform, but is immutable. So we'll see those operations also. Yes, suppose I'm going to take some A of 20 comma 30 comma ram. What is type of A? Tuple. Okay, I'm going to take one more tuple. Lakshman 49. Then what is type of B? Tuple. Okay, that both tuples you can able to add. Yes, and I want to repeat the A. Yes, possible. And slicing operation. Yes. Okay, everything is possible. Everything is possible, but I want to change the value is not at all possible. Okay, tuple object doesn't support the item assignment. Okay, item assignment, got the point? So it is a immutable object. Tuple is immutable object. Everybody got the point? Everybody, that is about which one? List and tuple. So up to now we are having completed in the data types, numbers completed and sequence type completed. Numbers completed, sequence type completed, then go for the boolean. Boolean means already we know. For knowing the statement is true or false, at the time we are giving it is a true, we are displaying the true. It is a false, we are displaying the false. Okay, true, false. That means Boolean provides the two built-in values that is either true or false. Okay, that given statement was true, it will take true. The given statement was false, it was false. Suppose here I am taking what is the type of true? What is the type of true? Anybody give me the answer? What is the type of true? What answer will get? What answer you will get? Yes, yes.
Brilliant, sir.
Very
Boolean
good. Yes, yes. Boolean, bull. Okay. Bull means boolean. Okay. What is the type of false?
sales, true.
Well, very good. Okay. That is a simple, nothing is there. Okay. Then it will shows like this. Okay. Next, set. Set. What is meant by set? Set. What is meant by set? Here, Python set is the unrounded collection of the data type. That means it is iterable, mutable. That means you can able to modify after creation also. Okay, got the point? The unique element in the set is the elements is undefined. The elements is undefined. It may be written, change the sequence of the elements also. The set were created by using the built-in function was set. We need to use the built-in function was set. That based on the set you can able to create the set. Okay, but the keyword we need to use the not keyword, you can able to say built-in function set. By using that set you can able to create the set. Okay, and the next one is dictionary is the most important one. Dictionary is the most important one. And the last one, dictionary. What is the meant by dictionary? Do you have idea about dictionary? Not normal dictionary. Here, this is also unordered set of key value with pair of item. That means simple. Number of students are having. Those number of students are having, each and everyone belongs to one group, that is a CSC and data science, AI, ML, SR. No. That means every key value is paired with one item. Suppose Indians are 1, Americans are 2, and Australians are 3. Like that, everyone having some value, key value with pairing of items. That one we are going to call dictionary. That means item that in the dictionary is separate. How we can able to do that one, sir? Very easy. Is the dictionary is denoted in the curly brackets, and first one is key and with the value. Indians you can able to take and separated by the comma. Suppose it is a string, we need to mention in a single quote, double quote, triple quote, nothing will happen. And second value for which one? Anything you can able to take. Okay. Third one for UK. Like that you can able to key value with a pair of item. This is the key value with a pair of item. At that time we are going to use simple in a normally we are going to use prediction we are doing. One category is disease, another category is severe, another category is normal. Like the different categories having, one is disease detected, second one is severe disease detected, third one is normal detected. Like that, how many category? Simple, you can able to take our marks also. Okay, A grade, B grade. A grade means 70 to 75%. B grade means like that also we can able to take everybody. So at that time we are going to use which one? Which one?
Dictionary.
Dictionary. Here I am going to take example here. D equal to, what is the type of D? Dictionary. Okay. How we can able to print the first one? D of okay, with pair of item. Suppose if you want keys, D dot keys. Keys is the function. What are the keys having 1, 2, 3? Okay. And D dot items are values. What are the values we are having? Indian, Italy, UK. Like that you can able to get. Okay. This is about data types in Python. Data types in Python. Everybody, any doubts we are having in Python data types? Python data types, having any doubt? If having any doubt, you can ask me. Then go for the next concept is keywords. Python keywords. Python keywords. Tell me any doubts in this one? Python keywords. Every programming language having the keywords. It may be a scripting language. It may be a normal programming language. Whatever it is having, every programming language having some keywords with particular definition and usage guidelines also available. So Python is is not except to that one. Python having no exemption. Python also having the keywords. Okay, that means some consistent keywords are having, and especially whatever the keywords were designed for that purpose only we need to use. Whatever the keywords we are having, those keywords we need to use for that purpose only. Whatever the purpose the programmers or vendors are created, for that purpose only we need to use. Don't use for other purpose. Suppose, sir, how other purpose means? If equal to 10, it is correct. If is a one of the predefined keyword, for that if you can assign the value, is not at all possible, is not at all recommended. You can able to see the example. If equal to 10, invalid syntax it will shows. That means whatever the purpose they created those keywords, for that purpose only we need to use. Don't use for other purpose. Don't use for other purpose. Okay, here main Python keywords are unique keywords and reserved for specific meaning. Just now I said na specific meaning, and how we can able to get those all keywords means we're having one syntax to know what are the keywords are having. That is import keyword and keyword dot kw list. Keyword dot then whatever the list of keywords we are having, it will display. Whatever the list of keywords we are having, it will display. Okay, but these three are special. That's why those are displaying first. False, none, true. So total how many keywords we are having? Anybody can count. Total 35 keywords we are having. How many keywords we are having? 35. First three are the special. That's why they're displaying first. Next onwards we're having in alphabetical order. And as, assetto, async, await, break, class, continue, def, delete, elif, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, rise, return, true already having the try, while, with, yield. These are the keywords having in our Python. I said now, don't use that special purpose. Whatever the purpose keywords are created, For that purpose only we can able to use, and easy to remember those all the keywords. We are going to do the category. We are going to do the category. That means here you can able to take first one is value keywords. What are the value keywords? Those are true, false, and none. These are already we know the true and the false, but we need to know about the none. When we are going to use the none is in a Python keyword none. Already we know none means nothing, nil, null. At the time we're not having anything to define. At the time we are going to use the null. At the time we are going to use the nil or none. Okay, true false used for boolean purpose. Either it may be true, it will display, or false, it will display. Example, we will see true or false. 4 equal to 4. It's true. Yes. 6 greater than 9. 6 is greater than 9. No, na. 2 are false. The result true. Yes or no? 9 is less than or equal to 28. Yes, true. Okay, got my point. True. Here I'll do one thing. True equal to 3. False. False equal to 0. What is the result for this one? What is the result for this one? We are unable to assign that one. No, false spelling you are written wrong na. Why? Because false is 0, true means 1 na. Suppose instead of true equal to 1, it's true. Why? Because true means 1, false means 0. That one you're assigning also true. Suppose here I want to add the true plus. What is the result for this one? Anyone? What is the result of this one? True plus true plus true plus true. What is the result of this one?
4.
Hmm?
4.
Yes.
4.
Why? Because true equal to 1 na. Then we're assigning, we're adding 4 truths is the 4 value. Okay, that is the thing. And we'll see about none means none equal to 0. False. Yes or no? None equal to nothing. False. None equal to false. False. Yes or no? A is none, B is none. A equal to none I am taking. B equal to none I am taking. A equal to B. Yes. Okay. Whenever we are nothing we are having at that time we are going to use the which one? Nothing to return at that time we are going to use the none. Okay. That is the thing we need to understand. And the next one, operator keywords. What are those operator keywords? What are those operator keywords? What are those operator keywords? And are not, in, is. I think in this one you know and are not. I think you don't know in and is. Yes or no? And means whenever two conditions are true, it will true. Or means any one condition is true, true. Not means true, false, false, true. But in is a keyword you are having to check whether the content is having in the container. Here I'll take, I'm unable to know that one. A equal to Python. Here A is the Python now. Then available. The content available in container or not. For that purpose, we are going to use the in keyword. In keyword. Okay. And what about is keyword? Is keyword is used for checking identification of object. Checking identification of object. That means both are same or not. At the time we are going to use. Okay. I'll let you know. True is true. Yes. Both are same. True is false. False. Yes or no? Checking identification of both objects are same or not. That means instead of double equal to, you can use is. Instead of double equal to, we can able to use is. Everybody got the point? Got the point? Yes or no? Okay. That is about which one? Is keyword. Next one is iteration keyword. Next one is iteration keywords. Tell me any some iteration keywords you know. Iteration keywords. For while, break, continue. Okay, these are the iteration keywords. I think you know what are the uses of these things. Nothing is there. How we are going to use these in other programming language in the same way we are going to use in our programming language or in Python also. Anybody can able to answer what is the difference between for and while? That means when you are going to use the for, when you are going to use the while. When for we need to use, when while we need to use. Anyone? When we are going to use the for, when we are going to use the while.
For is used when we know that number of iterations. While is used when we are not sure about iteration.
If you know the how many iterations at that time we are going to use for. If you don't know how many iterations are going to execute at that time we are going to use while. In the same way we are going to use in our Python also. How we are going to use these iteration keywords in other programming language. In the same way we can able to use in our programming language also. Our programming language also. Okay. Next one is exception handling keywords. What are the exception handling keywords? I except, price, finally, and asset. These are the keywords we are having. And a simple, if you want to know, try is used to whatever the problematic code is having. And what is meant by exception? Or you know, what is exception? If you know the exception, then you can able to know about that one. Even exception is also one type of error. Whenever we are getting in a compile time, that is an error. Whenever we are getting the error at runtime, that is exception. So in Python, you are getting only exceptions, no errors. If you are getting error means it will show syntax error. Syntax error. Okay. Syntax error. Okay. Got the point? But here exception means runtime only it will rise and we need to handle that one. So for that purpose to handle those exceptions, we are having these exception handling keywords. Exception handling keywords we are having. Everybody got the point? Exception handling keywords we are going to use. Try means whenever we feel some it is a problematic code, we need to keep that problematic code in the try keyword, try block. Try keyword you can able to call or block. Whenever you treat some code is a problematic code, so that problematic code we can keep in a which location? Which location? Try block. And next except block. We are having try, then only we can able to use except, otherwise we are unable to accept. That means whenever we are having a error, that is exception, that exception you can able to catch in the except block. Okay, and finally block, whenever we are having the exception or not having the exception, we need to complete our work. At that time we are going to use the finally. When are having the exception or not having the exception, but we need to complete our execution, our work. At that time we are going to use which one? Which one? Finally. And what about rise? And system will generate the exception, that's okay. But whenever if you want to create our own user defined exception, whenever if you want to generate our user defined exception, at that time we are going to use which one? Which one we are going to use? Rise. Rise is the keyword to specifically raise an exception. We can able to raise our own exception, at that time we are going to use. Everybody following or not? Okay. Okay. And the next one is asset. This is used for troubleshooting whether exception is having or not, whether it is properly code is interpreting or not. For that purpose we are going to use which one? Which one? Asset keyword. And the next not categories, each and everyone having one way, that is you can able to take pass keyword. Pass keyword means whenever we are calling one sentence, null sentence is called, at that time we need to pass for the next sentence. At that time we are going to use the pass. Okay, that means simple. Whenever we are unable to answer one thing, at that time we are going to say pass na. That is the thing, same here also. Okay. And the return keyword. Already we know every function having some return statement. So at that time we are going to use this return. Okay, we are going to use return and delete. Already we are used the delete keyword now. To delete the variable we are going to use the delete keyword. To delete the variable we are going to use the delete keyword. This is about keywords in Python. Keywords in got the point? Keywords in Python. Everybody got the point? Up to now, everything clear? Whatever the doubts you are having, you can able to ask me. You can able to ask me. What are the things we are covered today? Lot of concepts were covered today. Okay, once we will see everything. Python installation we are seeing. Okay, how to install Python and how to check whether it is installed in our computer or not. Once you are installed the Python, then you can go for the basics of Python. What are those? Here you can able to see variables concept. First we discuss variables only now. Variables, how to declare the variable, how to don't declare the variable. Python is a case sensitive now. So how we can able to do that one? Yes or no? Everybody got the point? Hmm. How to install done under variables, how to, what is meant by variable? Two ways we are giving the definition from system side and some on programmer side. System side, storing the memory location. User side, it will hold some value. And here no need to specify any data type. Why? Because it's a dynamically typed. Whenever you are assigning some variable, automatically it will assign the type. Okay, and what are the rules? Person should we need to use the alphabet or underscore. Person should you can able to use the alphabet or underscore. In the alphabets, what are the alphabets you can able to use? Small a to z you can able to use, capital A to z you can able to use, or underscore also you can able to use. But one thing is 0 to 9 also you can able to use, but it is not at all recommended in the first position. Not at all recommended in the first position. So what are the allowed and what are the not allowed things already we are seeing. Okay, how to assign that variable. Okay, and how to declare the variable. Okay, and when you declare the variable, three types of cases are having: camel case, Pascal case, snake case. And not only that one, whenever in a memory strong memory management having na, at the time we are assigning the same value for two variables. For the two variables it will shows the one memory location only. Whenever you are changed, then it will change the different memory location. And whenever you are assigning the variable name, based on that one you can able to say that is belongs to which case. This is a camel case, Pascal case, snake case. And one more advantage having, we can able to assign the multiple variables to multiple values, and we can able to assign the multiple variables to single value also possible. And type of variables, we are having the two types of variables: local variable and global variable. Local variable you can able to within the function, within the function, that is a local variable, and global variable outside of the function, and we need to use the global keyword, and we need to use the global keyword. And we can able to delete the variable also. How we can able to delete? By using the delete keyword. That about variables. And data types, every data we're having one type, that is every variable having some data type. So that is defaultly assigned by the Python. Why? Because it is a dynamically typed. So how many types of data types we are having means those are five types of data types: numeric or number, sequence type, boolean, set, dictionary. And in that one, number is again having the three types. What are those? Integer, float, complex. Integer, float, complex. In the integer, normal values, float, pointing values, and complex means 1 plus 2j, 3 plus 5, like different type of you can able to do the scientific operations you can able to perform. And next is sequence type. Inside the sequence type we are having three, inside the sequence we are having three: string, list, tuple. String means already we know what is meant by string. String is a group of characters. Okay, group of characters. Okay, and it can able to denoted in single code, double code, triple code. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Okay, nothing will happen. So in the string, you can able to perform the number of operations. What are those number of operations? We can able to concatenate two strings. That is, you can able to add the two strings. And next one is we can able to next one repeat the string how many times. That is repetition operator. That multiplication operator is work as a repetition operator inside the string handling. Inside the string handling. And the next one is which one? List. List is also one type of data type, and we can able to store the multiple values. That multiple values you can able to store similar values or dissimilar values. You can able to store similar values. You can able to store or dissimilar values. You can able to store. Both are possible in list, and list is a mutable. We can able to update the data in the list. You can able to update in the list. How we can able to denote the list is using which one? Square brackets and the separated by the comma, and whatever the operations we are performing in the string handling, for list handling also we can able to perform. That means you can able to add the two list. We can able to that means repeatedly you can able to print the list, and you can able to perform the slicing operation also. We can able to perform the slicing operation also. And the next one is tuple, and the tuple is similar to the list. Tuple is similar to the list, yes or no? But the difference one is it is a immutable. It is immutable. That means we can't change the values in the tuple, but denoted by normal brackets by and separated by the comma. Separated by the comma. Everyone got the point? Next one is all the operations also we can able to perform. That is concatenation. That is adding two tuples are possible, and repetition of tuple is possible. And the next one is which one? Which one? Slicing also possible. Okay. Next one is boolean. That is for either true or false purpose you can able to use. And the set. Set is similar to the which one? List and tuple. Both types is combined. It is a set, but we need to use the keyword or function set to create the set. Okay. And a dictionary. Dictionary having the set of values. That means pair of value. Key and value both are having. Okay. Key and value. Okay. Those are about data types. Next one is Python keywords. What are the keywords we are having? We are having a Python total 34 keywords are having. Easy to remember all those keywords. We are dividing into number of categories. That is value keywords, true, false, none, operator keywords, and are not, in, is, iteration keywords, for, while, break, continue, exception handling keywords, try, except, rise, finally, asset, and some normal keywords also having. That is not comes under group, but commonly we are going to use pass, return, delete, del. These are the keywords we are having. Okay, up to now these were discussed. Okay, up to now in these three concepts you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Then we can go for the next concept. Anyone? You can have any doubt you are having, you can feel freely ask me. Clarify those doubts, we'll go forward.
Sir, is it
Everyone
possible
clear?
to share
Yes.
some notes kind of thing?
Presentations I'm having, I'll share you, don't worry. For this all, I'm having presentations. Okay. Up to now, what are the things are completed? I will share those things. Don't worry about that one. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. Any doubts? I think everyone clear. Next concept is Python operators. Python operators. What are the operators we are having? Operator means it is a symbol that can perform a certain operation between the two operands. Yes or no? Operator is a symbol that can perform a certain operation between the two operands. Okay, according to different definitions, this is the one definition. But in a particular programming language, operator can serve as a foundation with one logic we can able to construct. Okay, with logic you can able to construct to perform different type of operations. Okay, different type of operations. In that one, what are the type of operators we are having? We will see. We are having total 7 type of operators are having. That one we will discuss one by one. Arithmetic operators. Second one, comparison operator. Comparison operators. Third one, assignment operators. Fourth one, logical operators. Fifth one, identity operators. Sixth one, membership operator. Sixth one, bitwise operators. These are the 7 type of operators we are having. Okay, how many types of operators we are having? 7 type of operators we are having. Okay, these are 7 type of operators we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Next, operators, different concepts we are having. After operators, we are having comments, then control statement, if else statements, and functions. In that one, built-in function and lambda function, and file handling, like the different we are having. We will discuss. Okay, everybody understood everything? Okay. Thank you, everyone. So today we'll wind up and try to do the practice. Then only we can able to remember easily. For not doing practice means how much time you are listening is not important. How much time you are practicing is important. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay.